Smith Lincoln Electric, here today to show you how to change a battery in our 3250D FGS Flip Front Helmet. So to access the lens, we first need to remove the front cover. You then need to spring out the lens. The batteries, 2 included, are located at the bottom of the lens. So once you've replaced the batteries, you simply insert it positive side up. Okay, positive side up. And we replace the lens by sliding it in behind the clip and pressing it into place. And then we replace the cowling. And there you go. We replace the batteries in the 3250D FGS Flip Front Helmet. Thank you.